269, ready to contact 20 miles southeast of the VOR and Soviet billboard. Billboard 269er.
Here's our bud, right above us, 2,100 feet. Contact.
Bonanza 61 Quebec, 1P5, contact tower 120.55.
VFR over to tower, 61 Quebec. Yep. Okay, I don't know why he gave us 12055, but that's probably because we're on this side of the runway, but they'll transition us over to 35 left.
Power plant 246 Papa.
246 Papa, proceed direct runway 35 right, number 2, clear to land, traffic on a half-mile final.
Clear to land, runway 25 right. 246 Papa.
Grand Forks Tower, Bonanza 9361 Quebec, approaching East Ponds.
Bonanza 9361 Quebec, Grand Forks Tower, good afternoon. At or above 2,100, please. Tell advised, are you familiar with Lagoon?
Yeah, at or above 2,100, and we are familiar with Lagoon. We're also going over to the south hangar.
Okay, yep, we'll work it out for 61 Quebec.
Thank you.
Grand Forks Tower 255 at 35 right, ready for departure.
255 Grand Forks Tower, hold short, good evening.
Hold short 35 right, good evening, 255. So there's a new rule at UND where it's now you can only do one landing at Grand Forks. So you can't do patterns at Grand Forks anymore, unless you're a stage check student. So the reason the chatter is so down and the amount of people flying is because Grand Forks just isn't as busy anymore. All of our satellite airports are incredibly busy. So it's kind of nice. Kind of nice for us. We can do whatever we want, except we're not going to.
Left Charlie 2, have a good one, thanks, 270.
255, no delay, runway 35 right, clear for immediate takeoff, fly runway heading traffic on a close-in base.
Clear for takeoff, 35 right, no delay, 255.
At 61 Quebec, plan to change runways on base to runway 35 left so you can descend for pattern altitude 1,600 now and enter a right downwind for 35 right, I'll call that base.
All right, enter right downwind for 35 right. We'll expect to change 61 Quebec. You want to put 118.4? And then enter. Yep. You're down 3 feet.
Grand Forks Tower 262 Papa, holding short 35 right, ready for departure.
246 Papa, I will call your crossing, go around observed.
Call micro all today in this 246 Papa.
262 Papa, Grand Forks Tower, runway 35 right.
It's still coming out.
35 right, clear for takeoff, 262 Papa.
255, turn right 070.
Turn right 070, 255.
255, contact departure, good day.
Contact departure, 255.
At 61 Quebec, at your discretion, turn base and change to runway 35 left.
All right, our discretion, base 35 left, 61 Quebec.
At 61 Quebec, contact tower on 118.4, have a nice day.
118.4, you as well. See ya.
733, contact departure, good evening.
Alright, over to Sparks, you got 3733, so on.
Grand Forks Tower, Bonanza 9361 Quebec, right base for 35 left.
Bonanza 61 Quebec, caution weight turbulence departed CRJ 200, runway 35 left, clear to land additional traffic for helicopter operating right of runway on Alpha taxiway.
Hey, clear to land 35 left, 61 Quebec, thanks.
Copter 9 Romeo Hotel, caution terminus for the departed CRJ 200 off runway 35 left, north taxiway, clear to land.
Caution break 3 left, north taxiway, clear land, Copter 9 Romeo Hotel.
Copter 9 Romeo Hotel, additionally traffic about a mile south of the field on base between the runways Bonanza to 35 left.
Have traffic inside, Copter 9 Romeo Hotel.
You're down 3 green, prop high. Lap set full. The mixture, we're all good. You want to call ab flight? Not like they're going to get there in a timely manner anyways, so. Never mind, don't call them. We're just going to push it back ourselves. Okay. Not dealing with it today.
Sioux 43.
Damn, we're not going to make Alpha 4.
Clear to land, caution helicopter right over runway.
Probably could have.
Negative contact.
Yeah, look, they got 5 people over there.
35 left, Sioux 43.
Bonanza 6-1, Quebec, turn right at Alpha 3, contact ground 124.570.
Alpha 3 over to ground, 6-1 Quebec, good night.
Good night.
Ground Bonanza 9361 Quebec, Alpha 3 back to the south hangar.
Bonanza 9361 Quebec, ground force ground, taxi via Alpha, and you said you're going to the cargo?
Alpha, yeah, and we're heading down to cargo.
Bonanza 61 Quebec, Roger, your choice of Foxtrot or Alpha 5 to join the apron.
Alright, Alpha, and then we'll go Foxtrot for 61 Quebec. That's pretty neat.
Force ground, TBM 9 Uniform Echo, with the information ready to taxi out at Alpha 4.
There's Uniform Alpha. Alpha.
Follow the Bonanza southbound on Alpha, runway 35 left, taxi via Alpha 4 Alpha.
9 Uniform Echo, looking for a Bonanza. We'll follow him when we see him, and we'll go at Alpha 4 Alpha to 35 left, 9 Uniform Echo.
94 Echo.
Hi, it's us.
That is a pretty neat plane.
How you do? Is that the Bonanza from the South Hangars?
No, that's the TBM, yeah.
I mean, yeah, the TBM.
Or one of them, yeah.
That's a different one.
That's the 700. The other one's an 800.
I wonder why he's
or
down
an 850.
here. Oh, because he wasn't in the hangar.
They switch him back and forth because he does some corporate, some personal flying. So he tells them if he's going to be flying out or not. So if he's going to be flying out with passengers, they bring him over here.
Wait, but I thought he couldn't do that.
Why?
As a commercial, you can't, like...
No, he doesn't own that plane.
Oh.
That's owned by a company.
But he flies it personally?
No, he flies it for hire. So he flies at places where they need him. If you've ever watched like Steve-O, I don't think you've ever seen Steve-O. He flies a TBM for a company, and usually he's solo because they pay him to fly at places. And he does a lot of videos and whatnot, and he flies the thing everywhere. Yeah, so we'll just put this plane away. Uh-oh, here comes Grand Forks, the Kappas. I don't know if they're after us or not.
Why would they be?
They wouldn't. They should have no reason to.
Oh, how are we gonna get in the hangar?
Son of a bitch. Oh my god. Yeah, call him. Did not think about that.
Can you send someone out of the South Hangar so let us in. The door is broken, so we have no way to get in from the morale. Okay, thanks. It's kind of urgent, so. What did he say? He said, yeah, I'll let him know. And I said, yeah, thanks. It's kind of urgent, so. Nice. That is very urgent, so we just wait.